A crowned figure sits between two grey pillars, holding a raised sword in the right hand and balanced scales in the left. A crimson veil hangs behind her, and a square-cut throne grounds her in unshakable symmetry. Justice is truth rendered into form, clarity, fairness, accountability, and the ethical equilibrium that aligns action with consequence. Justice herself is the central symbol. She sits perfectly straight, gaze direct, posture unwavering. Her expression is not cold but impartial, reflecting a mind free from distortion. Her crown signifies authority rooted in wisdom rather than power. Clad in red and green, she blends passion with grounded reasoning. She embodies the principle that decisions must emerge from fact, integrity, and balance. The sword she holds is the first supporting symbol. Pointed upwards, it represents clarity, truth, and the ability to cut through illusion. The sword's double edge reminds us that justice applies equally to all. Every action carries consequence. The vertical orientation signals alignment with higher truth. This is not personal judgment, but universal law. The second symbol is the set of scales in her left hand. They measure not only evidence, but intention, responsibility, and the subtle balance between mercy and accountability. The scales show that justice weighs context as much as outcome. Nothing is ignored. Everything finds its place. Through them, she teaches discernment, ethical precision rather than moral rigidity. The third supporting symbol is the veil behind her. Unlike the High Priestess's veil of mystery, this one represents transparency, truth revealed through careful examination. Its red color evokes the life force of ethical action, clarity that does not detach from humanity. The veil also marks the threshold between past and future. Once judgment is made, a new path opens. The fourth symbol is the square-cut throne. The square signifies order, logic, and structural integrity. Justice sits upon a foundation of rationality, law, principle, and the stability that comes from objective truth. The throne affirms that fairness requires boundaries. Without structure, equity dissolves into chaos. The fifth symbol is the sword and scales symmetry reflected in her posture. Right hand action, left hand evaluation, masculine decisiveness, feminine receptivity. Justice balances active discernment with quiet understanding. She is the equilibrium between mind and heart. Together, these symbols reveal justice as the guardian of truth and ethical alignment. She does not punish, but corrects, restores, and clarifies. Her power lies in balance, the integration of wisdom, reason, and moral clarity. In readings, justice signifies decisions, contracts, truth-telling, fairness, legal matters, cause and effect, and the need for honest self-assessment. It encourages integrity, accountability, and objectivity. Its counsel: act cleanly, take responsibility, align your choices with your deepest principles. Its shadow warns against bias, denial, or avoidance of consequences. Justice teaches that truth brings balance, and that equilibrium is achieved when we commit to clarity with both courage and compassion.